Hey guys, my name is Rudy, and this is a bit of a sad occasion here. We're about to get rid of one of my favorite simulators here. The list of who loved this one is probably very short, but this is kind of where I started out here over 8 years ago. So I just want to kind of show you around, see what this thing's all about, get a small tour. Everything's already powered off, it's getting ready to remove, but here's what the Warlow simulation looks like. This cabinet spread here is actually what makes the simulator go. Starting off with the main power cabinet. And you got all these computers here that do various things to make the big box outside work. More computers here. You control everything through this little KVM here. More servers. And this right here is the visual, also a KVM for that. And this one drives the projectors upstairs. Stuff is kind of empty out here. Look back. Lots of wiring. Lots of juice. Well, we'll walk you out here to show you guys around. Everything's already fired off, so I have to use a flashlight to get around. This is our baby. I've spent lots of time with this thing. I tried this before. The last one didn't have any sound, so see, this works out a little bit better. Maybe. Let's do it like this. So this right here is the iOS. This is where you controlled everything. Here's the instructor seat. Got here the panel here that's actually back of the seat. Jump seat's down here on the bottom. And this panel actually swings forward, so it's right in the back, and here's where the cabin door would be if this is a real aircraft. Got the overhead here. Center console. A little better light in here. Captain's seat. Got a little bit of shadow here. Figure out what's causing that shadow. There we go. The little knob there is how you steer it on the ground, and that's the stick. Airbus does not have a yoke. It's the center console. This up here gives you your messages, and the computer, flight computer's up here. And same thing here on the right hand side. Let me get this in before before this thing gets taken out. So you can just scan without a shadow over here. This is your typical Airbus A320. Circuit breakers up here. Overhead panel there. Got room for extra person here. Instructor sits here, and another student can actually sit back here. From this point forward, it's pretty much like a real cockpit. If you're facing forward, you feel like you're sitting in the real deal. You can see the reflection on the window. That's the Mylar that came down. That's used to project. Using 3 projectors, it projects an image of about 170 degrees. This one actually had the hard buttons for some of the functions. This is your control loading and motion buttons. And you have 3 monitors to run all your stuff. Balcony, safety equipment. This big machine here, the bridge goes up. This is one of the one of the newer simulators that actually has electric motion. So instead of hydraulic, it's all electric. No hoses. Get a little wider angle here. Front piece is a mirror. So I showed you the magic of what makes the simulator run. Here's what makes the actual motion run too. Spent quite a bit of time here in this cabinet working on various issues. Remote computer. And the power cabinet here for this. Back here is where the rest of the magic happens. A hydraulic pump, but this panel here, this cabinet, lots of high voltage here that ensures the simulator functions. This is for all the motion. Got two doors, two sets of doors. Also, emergency stop. And one big power switch back here. This incredible machine is worth in the millions. It's all the communications and cooling. Up here the rails are. On top are the projectors. It makes this whole thing run. Do one quick more glance in here in case you missed it earlier. Can get the reflection of my actual phone here. See if I can fix that. Nope. Oh, here we go. First video didn't have any sound. This one has a little too much sound. Let's see from the outside. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. I will definitely miss this guy. I'm kind of excited to see what replaces it. Until next time, take care.